Guys, let me show you around the IKEA shop. We are making a tour of the IKEA shop because I want to look some bed and some kitchen. The price, fine. Some kitchen, and I'm going to look some kitchen also. I need to change Justin bed, and I want to change also my kitchen, and I need some decoration for my sitting room. And I just say, let me just turn around a little bit for IKEA and look prices. This is not my type. Doesn't like it. This one is good, but the color, I don't like the color. We are in the kitchen section, yeah. I don't know. This kitchen is 8,305. This is the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen a little bit. I don't know. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is very beautiful, and you have islander. Wow, it's very nice. They have wine section. You have a lot of store inside. Very much store inside. You have a glass, wow, where you can put your things. It's very beautiful, yeah. It's damn expensive. This one is simple one. I like this one also. It's very simple. It's 3,094 euro. This black one is also very fine. Very fine black kitchen. The price, they are not friendly. Oh, I like this kitchen, eh? It's like, if I have to choose, it's like I'm going to choose this one. It's 4,836 euro. Yeah, it's very beautiful. I love the decoration up there. I really love the decoration.